Good morning and happy Tuesday. Today's date is May 12th, 2020. Here's our meme of the day. Remember not that long ago when a bus fell in a whole pothole and was leaning up like this? Forgot totally about this because of the coronavirus. Maybe this sinkhole opened a void that released the corona. Alright, so remember, we're watching the daily message, we're completing the assignment, we're not turn in work if you complete it, and also make sure to remember to check in with your teacher twice a week. Make sure you're checking in with your homeroom teacher, definitely twice a week, once Monday to Wednesday, and then once on either Thursday or Friday, so we can mark attendance. If we don't hear from you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you're marked absent all 3 days. If we don't hear from you Thursday, Friday, you're marked absent those 2 days. Alright, today we are starting lesson 11.1. We are comparing data displayed in dot plots or box plots. We did this before we left, so I remember before we left teaching these lessons and we made posters and they were hanging up on the wall, and we looked at the dot plot, which is the number line where you kind of put dots above it for every number in your set of data. And then we talked about 3 things: the shape, the spread, and the center. The shape is whether the dots are in the center or towards the right or towards the left, skewed right, skewed left. The center is the median, and the spread is whether the dots are close together or if the dots are spread out. So just keep that in mind as you're going through our lesson. This is a very important lesson to make sure you watch the videos. There are 4 videos that go along with this lesson. They are included in the PowerPoint document, and they're also in the email that I sent to your families today. So please make sure after your warm-up, but before the independent practice, please watch all 4 videos. If you need my help, I'll be here. I'm only going to be online from 9 to 10, and then from 1 to 2. I will not be on from 10 to 11 today because I have another meeting. But if you need me, you could still reach me. I just might not be able to hop on the phone with you. Thanks, have a great day, and I'll talk to all of you later.